this is one of those weekends where you have no plans and decide to hit up a local track. Of course, I've invited Harry, aka the Bogan bus, Sam in his MP300, Patrick in a PK Ranger, and Ryan's riding co-pilot and Cole. We had no plans and no idea what to do, so we head for the Powerlines track. Ooh. That was way deeper than I expected. I think the line is going to be on this side. I went straight through the middle there, but it was bloody deep. So we're just going to try and find a better line than that, just to get the rest of the guys through. I honestly reckon it's here.
Yeah, me too.
Watch out for the wobbegongs, mate. Damn in the old nav. That was easy. That's the line. The chassis didn't even hit the water. Jesus Christ. What line are you going? Your whole front wheel is buried. No, keep coming back, you're right. A little bit more. All right, next track. So this is where I actually got stuck on 37s because they were sort of bottoming out on my guard.
Oh, hold on. You're pulling your guard off.
Huh?
You're pulling your guard off. What are you doing here?
Get 37s, they said, it'd be awesome. This is actually a very big hole. It's a notorious little track at Glasshouse. Yeah, fingers crossed I can make it. It is definitely a lot bigger than it looked. My 35 still might bottom out, I'm not really sure yet. Let's go, I'll go first. Wish me luck, boys. Here you go, Ryan. Only cheaters use lockers, Harry. We've seen it.
drop, Tom.
Look at the car.
I know.
Look how big that hole is, honestly. What would that wall be?
2.5, 3 metres.
Yeah, that'd be easy 2.5. That's massive. All right, Harry's turn. See if he can make it up. Is your locker in? Yeah. You wait till you see how big that drop is. Boy! Sounds so good. That was sick. That was mad. That hole's huge, eh?
Yeah, it's massive.
When you're driving in it, you're like, yeah, I'm not getting up this. It's a straight slop too. Bogan busters are rigged. All those for the Bogan bus? Oh, I think I lost that. New shirts are fresh as. I wanted them to be pretty simple, so check them out if you want to grab one. I've also got the Roam Life window banners. They're new in the store, so check them out as well if you want to run a big ass window banner. I've actually just pulled over to quickly unlock the hubs. The boys are gone home. I really do need to spend some time setting up Cole's suspension, like the bump stops. I might even honestly need to raise the tray because the wheel just comes up, hits the guard, and then it's just full brakes from there. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do want to grab one of our shirts, they should be on the website by now, and we've also got the new stickers on there as well. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next episode. Peace.